Chaucer incorporated in 1982 in the UK. In 2016 we were purchased by Nagatanien, which is a Japanese company. We supply ingredient solutions to major food manufacturers around the world.
Chaucer is a global business. It's one of our unique selling points compared to our competitors. We have facilities that across all parts of our regions. We have in the US, here in the UK, France and China, as well as a global supply base to meet our customers' needs.
So the main challenges to Chaucer in the markets are socio-economical, such as Brexit, such as tariffs in the US. We are a fast-growing business, so human resources is also a challenge.
Our main supply chain challenges is security of our material, as it is impacted by the economical environment and the weather across the globe. Nigel Nelson joined the business as a COO who had previous experience with Delos, and they came into the business to identify where we could improve ourselves by implementing an integrated business planning process. We now work off one set of numbers, which is the most important part of the process. We've had education workshops, been supported by Delos, so we brought all of our regional heads in all of our countries and brought them together for education workshops.
Our supply chain has evolved significantly since working with Delos. All the sales managers and stakeholders are very clear and motivated to provide an accurate and on-time forecast. I would describe our relationship with Delos as a very collaborative one, and we have workshops to continuously MOT our integrated business planning process. Delos as a business is very approachable, and if we have any queries or questions, they're always there as a sounding board. We realised that we would need a tool to be able to enable us to forecast correctly. Spreadsheets weren't going to cut it anymore, so we realised that we needed a planning solution.
We had Delos join us and we started with a large tender list of potential suppliers. We went through what we required out of the forecasting tool, and we came down to a short list and went through the tender from there. We went with QAD DynaSys as we felt the most comfortable, confident supplier for what we needed to meet our business needs. We
decided we needed a demand planning solution so that we could clean up and ensure that we weren't overstocked on raw materials, that we serviced our customers on time. The product that we chose for demand planning is a cloud-based system which works for all our remotely based salespeople.
The implementation process was very smooth. We went through it in the timeline that we wanted to meet our business needs. And it's the train-the-trainer process that we have that's involved us as a business going forward as well.
Because of the demand planning bin implementation, it's allowed us to control our cash much more efficiently, having the right stock in the right place at the right time, and also it's improved our service levels to our customers, so we are drying our material in the right place at the right time. So ultimately it's a cost and a customer service benefit.
For us now is that we have a much better visibility of actually what the business future looks like by customer, region, markets, and we'll be able to analyse what we need now to support that demand for our customers. We are Chaucer. With QAD DynaSys and Delos, we are building a better future for our supply chain.